guys, we are back. We are working on our pocket doors. I've been working away at trying to bring these back to their original beauty. It's taking quite some time, but you guys have been also patient with me. I'm so thankful. So if you guys didn't notice, my husband actually this weekend, we didn't get it on film. It was one of those things where it was late at night. I was in my PJs. He was with me in the entryway and I was just like, hey, can you help me figure this out? So he was able to jiggle it out and he realized, which is so hilarious. I remember Harvey saying this now, that Harvey had stuck this back in that door like a year ago.
What door?
This door. And so that was, I guess, stuck in there and causing it not to go in. So he got it out. So we're gonna take all the paint off. My goal for today, at least, is
I'm gonna rip this off.
Yes, don't touch it, it's really dirty. But my goal for today is to at least get this thing completely sanded down so it is ready for stain. That's my goal. I'm like, if we can just chip away one thing at a time, and then depending on how well that goes, if I have time to get that paint off today as well, that's what we're gonna do. But you guys, I'm just gonna try and rock and roll. Ready to move on to something more fun. Okay, I have sanded a bunch, but unfortunately when you sand down, you can lose a little bit of detail, and so I'm just nervous that I'm kind of starting to get a little too close to the edges here. And so I'm gonna see if I can try some acetone and see if that'll take off some of the stain. It works really well with paint. Let's see if it works with the stain. Okay, you've seen me do this before, so we're gonna speed it up, get the paint off of this door, take it ready to sand. All right, let's sand. Here we go again. Oh, here we go again. Here we go. Just kidding. Here we go. That finally felt like good, solid progress. I need a nap. Open sesame. I'll see you later. No. Hello, you guys. It is Monday, a new day. I am over No, I'm so excited. Okay, we were totally fine. Okay, I'm just cold and it's still February and it's still dark and I need spring. Okay. Anyway, so we are going to sand off the insides of this door. Last, I just did all of the easy areas. So anyways, we're gonna go ahead. I got my sandpaper, sand all that off, all the little spots, and then I'm gonna go over this door again, just because I didn't get as much as I would have liked to. It's fine, it's totally fine. I wanna get it looking like that one. You can see, as I went further up the door, I got less there. And then I'm also going to do another coat of stripper on the back of this door, and then I think I might just do heat gun on the other side. I don't know if I'll be able to get to either of those today because I don't have time to work on them tomorrow. So I don't want to put stripper on it unless I can get to it. And I don't want to put stripper on right now because I need to be able to move these doors because there's a child playing on the other side. So I don't want it to get like gunky and like stuck inside, but I'm talking so I don't have to do the work. You guys, it's good. It's all good. No, we are not having this attitude. We are in this. This is my job and we're getting it done. So, okay, we're just gonna sand. I'm gonna start with like a 40 or 60 grit and see if that will get it off. It's fine, it's fine, it's so fine. And also we actually got stain. I'll show you that in a bit, so stay tuned. Okay, just go, just go. Here we go, baby. Where's my glasses? I said, here I go, it's gonna get noisy. Oh. You ready, Freddy? Hey, where's my ears? All right, you guys, back to the doors again. Obviously, we have not really left, but so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through all of the grits. Both of the doors have been completely as much as I can possibly get at 40 and 60 grit. So now I'm gonna go, I think I'm gonna go back over with a 60. Is that what I have? I can't remember. I have a 60 that I might go over one more time. If not, then I'm just gonna go up to 80, get in everything that I can, and then we'll go 80, like 120, 150, maybe 180, 200 kind of thing to get it right where we need it to get. And then this side will hopefully be ready for stain after today. And then I did put citrus strip on the back side last night just to let it sit, and then I'm going to scrape that off. I'm really hoping it gets under that bottom layer, and then we'll talk about it in a second. But I think, but it could have potentially been a blessing that the other side does not, or like it has that under layer, and if I can get it off easily enough, then it will be. And we'll talk about that more when we get to it. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and start sanding.
We got nowhere to be, just a slow dance with the summer heat. The world outside can't wait a few, 'cause right now we got nothing else to do. The sun is peeking through.
Alright, you guys, we're gonna end it here. I got far. So the doors are completely sanded. They can be stained, but I'm gonna wait till the backside is done. And I didn't show it, but I did get all of the, I did another coat of citrus strip on the back, and I got all of it off. It needs one more before I can sand. I also have to check to make sure that that layer is sandable, because if it's not, then I just have to keep doing it until I get it all, but it's totally fine. I would have gotten farther, but if you missed it, I actually did a Valentine's Day video this past Thursday. I'll link it down below. The girls have been begging for a play date, and then finally I was just like, you know what? We're gonna invite everybody, and it's gonna be the biggest play date ever, and it's gonna be so much fun. So I decorated the dining room, we did some crafts, it was awesome. But because of that, obviously I had to allot time for that. And then next week the kids are off Monday, Tuesday, and then also my mom is coming back after being gone for months. So I want to try my absolute hardest to get these doors hopefully done. I say that now, but hopefully for real done next week before she gets home would be my ideal target. And so because of that, I won't be doing a Thursday video. I just don't want to split my time. I'm so close now. And also, I think I said we would talk more about it later, but we'll talk about it now, and then I'll also talk about it again in the next video. But I'm really hoping the back of the doors will actually end up being faster because I won't have to sand them like this. So the reason I'm sanding so hardcore is because I'm trying to get all of that darkness away. This is just gonna be character at this point. I'm doing a darker stain. It's not gonna matter. You're not gonna see any of that. If I wanted to keep these doors lighter, I would have gone sanding more, but then also you risk losing some of the detail. The wood kind of becomes a little bit softer because you have to sand it off. So I didn't want to go hardcore in that. And the acetone would have worked, but it was also making a mess. So anyways, I'm using a dark stain, it doesn't matter. But for the back of the doors, because with the stripper or with the heat gun, whichever I end up doing for the second door, it's getting everything off. I will hopefully just be able to do like literally 1-220 grit sand just to get it all smooth and we can stain. So that's my hope, that's my prayer. But obviously tomorrow, the time you're seeing this is Sunday, so I'm gonna take Sunday as my day of rest, and then my husband's home Monday. So I'm hoping that I can just get her done and literally get her done. And hopefully by next Sunday, you guys will see the completed video. So just know that update, there will be no video Thursday. I really wanna focus. Like I could literally put stain on. I have the stain, I could put it on. But anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. I know it was short and sweet, but just wanted to update you what's going on. I hope you had a lovely Valentine's. Hope you had a little cutie to kiss and a chocolate to eat, and I will see you guys next week. Don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you at Sunday, 2 p.m. Okay, bye guys. We're getting there.